In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar public, step by step. We'll walk through this process together, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each action. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open Google Calendar on your computer. It's important to note that you can only change the sharing settings on a desktop, not through the mobile app, so make sure you're logged in through your browser. Once you're in Google Calendar, look to the left under the section labeled My Calendars. Here, you'll see a list of the different calendars you manage. Hover over the specific calendar you want to make public. As you do so, you'll notice a small icon of 3 vertical dots. Click on this. A menu will appear, and you'll want to select Settings and Sharing from this list. Now we've reached the stage where you'll actually make your calendar public. Scroll down this settings page until you find Access Permissions for Events. This is where you'll change who can see your calendar. You'll see an option that says Make Available to Public. Go ahead and check the box next to this option. Once you do this, you're presented with 2 choices for visibility. The first is See Only Free Busy, which means people will only know whether you're free or busy at given times. No specifics about the events. Alternatively, you can select See All Event Details, which will allow anyone with access to see the full details of your events, including titles and descriptions. It's essential to remember that if you choose to make all event details visible, anyone with the link will have access to this full information, and it might even show up in Google search results. With your calendar now public, the next step is to share it. Scroll further down on the settings page until you locate Integrate Calendar. Here, you'll find the public URL to this calendar. This is a link you can share with others to give them access. Simply copy this URL. If some of your contacts use apps like Outlook, Apple Calendar, or another Google account, you might also want to copy the iCal link, which they can use to subscribe to your calendar easily. Finally, it's time to share the link. Send the URL to anyone who needs it. They'll be able to open it directly in their browsers, or if they prefer, they can use the iCal link to import it into their own calendar applications. And there you have it, a straightforward way to make your Google Calendar public and share it with others. Make sure to remember the privacy implications of what details you're making available, and happy sharing.